It's June 17th, 2026. Welcome to yes2hellwith.com. Have you ever wondered why millions of Americans feel that something is wrong with their government, yet cannot explain exactly what it is? At tothepresidentoftheunitedstates.com, you'll discover a growing interest and movement of Americans asking the questions that government rarely answers. Who truly possesses authority? What limits government power? When does presumption replace proof? And what happens when liberty slowly gives way to administration? Read the final and perpetual Declaration of Independence. Explore the evidence, examine the arguments, and decide for yourself whether America remains the constitutional republic envisioned by the founders, or is it something very different? This is not about political parties. It's about freedom, self-governance, and the future of the American Republic. Visit tothepresidentoftheunitedstates.com. Read the Declaration, add your voice, and help restore the conversation about freedom. And as always, may truth reign supreme.